Hi, this is Gustav Maia. I'm an attorney from Brazil. Today, I'm going to continue our discussion on what to look for when buying property in Brazil. Brazil is perhaps one of the few emerging markets that allows foreign buyers to own both land and property in their own names on a 100% freehold basis, making the buying process relatively straightforward. However, before you can buy a property in Brazil, even though you are working with a licensed realtor, you still need a trusted legal advisor to inspect documents and advise on the purchasing process. The most obvious support is the inspection of the documents and due diligence on the property deeds. A proper due diligence should cover the following. 1. A thorough investigation on the ownership of the property, if there are any liens or encumbrances, who owns the property. It is not uncommon to find sellers negotiating real estate they do not legally control, as well as selling real estate with outstanding debts. Number 2. Check the seller's documentation. Your legal advisor will check all of the developer's most relevant documents, such as the articles of organization, to check who the shareholders are, how long has the company been in business, and are they up to date with their fiscal responsibilities? Are there any court actions against them that could jeopardize the deal? All of that information should be gathered and analyzed by a legal expert in the field of real estate. There are many things that could go unnoticed by the untrained eye that may not have been missed intentionally by the realtors or the sellers. But the legal advisor can notice before it turns into a bigger problem and make sure that the deal can be closed on good terms for all the parties involved. Number 3, check the development. Depending on the type of project you are embarking in, there are many different things your lawyer will need to look after. I'm going to mention the most common. Is the property you are purchasing near the beach? If so, is it mentioned in the deed? If it's off-plan, has it already been incorporated? Are all of the environmental licenses in place? Have they expired? If so, have they reapplied to renew it? Also, have your legal advisor check the contract for you, especially if the property is still being built. A basic contract should cover money wiring, money exchange rates, payment delay penalties that must be within the legal limits. Penalties for delaying the delivery of the property. How will the property be delivered? If it's a plot of land, will there be electricity and water supply? What are the facilities and amenities? Will they come furnished? Moreover, it is important to be advised on how to register the investment correctly in Brazil. There are no taxes on retrieving a foreign investment from Brazil to abroad, but this requires correct registration of the investment at the time that the real estate is bought. And of course, it is also necessary to verify that the selected lawyer is legitimate. This can be done online with a service on the National Lawyers Registry provided by the Brazilian Bar Association. You can search for lawyers based on name or their license number. You are then able to verify their status and their license, as well as see their photo. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions on a particular topic, feel free to contact me at any time. You can find my information in the section below. See you soon.